National Assembly's 16th term continues its first extraordinary session today with a major justice sector overhaul on the agenda. Our reporter Mai Hang has more from the National Assembly House.
This morning, the National Assembly will hear proposals on a sweeping overhaul of the Criminal Code, the Criminal Procedural Code, and the law on organization of criminal investigation bodies, presented by the Ministry of Public Security and the Supreme People's Procuracy. The National Assembly's Committee for Law and Judicial Affairs then delivers its review findings on all three laws. Deputies will then move to a floor discussion on merging 4 national target programs into a single unified program, with the Minister of Finance responding to questions raised. This afternoon, lawmakers continue debates on the Criminal Code, the Criminal Procedural Code, and the law on organization of criminal investigation bodies, as the National Assembly wraps up legislative items before taking them to a vote in just a few days. We will be keeping you updated with the proceedings of the first extraordinary session in our following bulletins. Mai Khanh reporting for Vietnam Today.